Let us discuss about screen recording in Office Mix. On the Mix tab, select the screen recording option in the Insert group. The dock toolbar appears at the top of the screen. You will notice that the audio and record pointer options are already enabled. If you do not want to use any of these options, click on them to deselect them. Now click on the Select Area button. The cursor will change into a crosshair symbol. Click and drag the crosshair symbol to select the screen area you want to record. To record the entire screen, click on the top left corner of the screen and drag the crosshair symbol to the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the Record button. The countdown window pops up on the screen. To control your recording, click on the Pause button if you want to temporarily stop the recording. To resume the recording, press the Record button again. Press the Stop button to end the recording. The screen recording will automatically be added to the current slide as you press the Stop button. We will discuss about slide recording in Office Mix. Select the slide where you want to begin the slide recording. Click on the slide recording option present in the Record group on the Mix tab. Now click on the Start Recording button. Your presentation will open in Office Mix window in record mode. Here you will see your slide presentation in the main body of the screen. The audio and video task pane will appear to the right side of the window, displaying different options with which you can select your audio and video inputs. See a preview of your video, check the volume level, and choose pen size and ink color to write or draw on the slide. Now let us understand how to add audio or video. Click on the Thumbnail Radio button if you want the video to appear as a thumbnail. This option creates low-resolution recording. To create high-resolution recording, select the Full Screen Radio button. This will display the video in full screen mode. Next step is to select the type of camera you want to use. If you are working on laptop and do not want to use the external camera, then select the integrated camera from the drop-down list. If you want to record the audio only, then select the No Camera option. No Camera is the default option. The third step is to select the audio device you want to use. Select the microphone option from the drop-down list and drag the slider bar towards left to decrease the volume or right to increase the volume. Select No Microphone option if you do not require any sound. Let us understand how to add inking. Under the inking option, select the pen size, fine pen, medium pen or thick pen, and color to draw or write some text on the slide. Once you have set all the required options, click on the Record button in the top left corner of the screen. The presentation will open in the zoom mode along with the dash border running around it. You are now recording. Draw on the slide while narrating the instructions with the help of mouse or stylus. Stylus is a small pen-shaped instrument that is used to input commands to a computer screen. Once the recording is done, click on the Close button to return to presentation view. Let's discuss interactive content in Office Mix. Select the slide where you want the interactive content to appear. On the Mix tab, select the Quizzes Videos Apps option in the Insert group. The Lab Office Add-ins dialog box appears, which displays My Add-ins and Store tabs in it. Clicking on My Add-ins will show the apps that you have already downloaded. Clicking on Store will insert an app, which automatically gets added into your list of My Add-ins. Click on the Store button to insert new app in the list of My Add-ins. Select any add-in from the list of choices and click on the Add button. Here we have added multiple choice quiz. An editable quiz object will appear on your slide, and you can set the question, answers, tips, and various other parameters such as the number of retires the user is allowed, feedback, etc. Press either the F5 key or click Slideshow button present at the bottom right of the PowerPoint window to see how the app looks. After finalizing, publish your mix by using Upload to Office Mix. Office Mix will begin collecting data for all the quizzes and polls you have inserted in the mix. Save your mix by selecting the file, then go to Save option and specifying the desired name.